How to update TikTok account to the newest version. So basically, you don't actually need to do anything from the account or from your account itself, because all the work is going to be on the features directly from the application. Now, if you already downloaded the application and have updated it, but your account or your app is not yet on the latest version, then all you have to do is to do some troubleshooting step directly from the app. Now, in here, just simply press on hold on your TikTok application and go with the eye icon, and you just comply both of these two options to choose clear all data and clear cache. Now once everything is sorted out, just re-log into your TikTok account and it should be fine. Now updating your account to the newest or to the latest version, the easiest way method if there is no certain crashes, then just directly go to the Play Store and search for the TikTok application. And in here, you should be able to know if your TikTok is not yet updated because update button is going to be visible on there. So simply tap on that and it will automatically do that stuff by itself. And that's how you do it. That's how you update TikTok account to the newest version.